The way it shines, holy shit.
Yeah.
I think it looks 10 times better than I ever imagined. It looks so perfect. It looks better than the interior now.
The interior
it really does.
It's like a matte leather, so it has heavy pearl in it, you know?
The pearl looks so sick.
Yeah.
What do you think about the wheels, Colin?
They're next level.
Amazing.
And this looks so crazy.
Most of the cars are pink, so this is a new
I wanted to switch it up. Time for something new. And this is it. So you guys have taken it on the road. What's the reactions been? Show stopping?
Yeah, I drive like, you know, Aventadors, all kinds of stuff that are also crazy colors. And this is something else for sure. This is definitely
perfect. Oh my god.
Something else.
I can't get over it. I think the pink Cullinan needs matching wheels or similar, right?
You could do the same wheels.
Because they're so boring. Rolls Royce, I love you, but your wheels, they're not it all the time.
Just play with it, why not? And then if you turn around for a second.
Oh, I didn't even notice that was there. Oh my god. Can we go see it? Let's go.
Yeah.
Just a fleet of Cullinans over here. Color is perfect.
Yeah.
This is my Wyoming Western fantasy. Wow.
It works. It works actually with the orange and everything. It works.
This is your favorite color, right?
That's a gorgeous color, yeah.
Yeah. This is also printed. Also has pearl in it, so it's a pearl brown.
Yeah, it looks
bronze.
stunning.
I don't know what to call it. This is very hard to do. This was much harder than that. Much harder.
It looks crazy. It looks like a brown eyeshadow come to life. Actually.
Yeah.
See what happens when you crash your car? You get two. I was inspired to get two after my accident. This is coming off in a week finally. Oh my god.
Good.
But so here's what's funny. I've never driven a Dawn before.
Okay.
So I just
This you know all
yeah,
day.
this is amazing.
The Dawn
It's a little
is
more tame.
easier to drive than this for sure. Yeah.
Okay.
So you're good. No, the Dawn is easy.
This car is so safe. I think if I was in a McLaren, we would be at my funeral. The first roll we hit, we went 20 feet, and then we hit again. It was really crazy, but the Cullinan, it protected me.
Yeah, with the orange is actually
so good.
So good.
door jam. You know, did everything. And the beauty is both of them are one-offs, so you're not gonna find somebody with the same wrap.
And that's why we came here. We want one of ones.
One of
only,
ones. One of
okay?
ones. Yeah.
Wow, I'm shook. I want to go see the yellow again.
Let's go.
When I heard that they're discontinuing the Dawn, I go, okay, I collect black badges. It's time for me to get one. And the yellow is so unique.
Yeah. This
But
is
you
the ultimate
turn
Dawn.
it up to the millionth level. Wow. And then that fade is sick. We got to do a fade soon on something else.
Yeah, I could get creative with anything you want.
Yeah.
You know, that started with
Saw the fade, right?
yeah.
Wow.
Chris Brown wanted to do some crazy event
The
door.
wheels are fucking dope. Too. It's like a toy. What do we think about Miss Canary?
Love it, honey. Yes.
It's so beautiful.
Yes, it is.
Wow. When the brown one's done, we're gonna be doing a big story.
Yeah,
With Rolls Royce. So
Okay.
all for it.
Nice.
Hi. What do we think? Yes. Come on, instant feedback. They love it. I've
Please.
done Pink a million times now, but I've never seen this before.
Exactly.
Who's the guy in Rodeo that has the yellow one? Remember that? He has that store.
Bijan.
That guy, yeah.
Yeah, Bijan.
I'll have
So
to pull up next to him.
This will.
On Monday, we're gonna go film on Rodeo.
Oh,
So
this
I'm gonna have
is
to
so
pull
flashy.
up. I'm
You
gonna pull
gotta.
up to his store and honk.
If you didn't get attention, you're gonna get it.
Oh yeah. I have Yellow Peeps Crocs and I should have worn them. I flopped. You know what's funny? I never asked. What color is the key? Is it normal, right?
It's the old key.
No, it's the old
It's the
key.
old key.
Okay.
They didn't upgrade the Dawn.
Damn. Okay.
Yeah,
They
I know.
flopped. The
I know.
Cullinan has the best key.
Yes. On the old.
Damn.
Yeah. Only the new Ghost and the new Cullinans have that.
Okay. Okay.
Unfortunately.
Damn it.
I
I was
know.
hoping to have a pink and yellow match.
Yeah. See, that works.
I know.
This is the big one.
See, I knew. Yeah, they have the big one.
And there's this one.
Oh wow.
Because the dealer.
Oh yeah, exactly.
Take that off. Because he thought it's gonna go
I've never
back.
driven this before. I just saw it online. I'm like, you like pick it
Take
from
it.
a catalog.
You weren't even here, right?
No, I was in bed, injured, and shopping. And I was
Oh,
like,
two of
what?
them.
There's no Dawns left? Like, they're okay.
Because you have how many Cullinans do you have?
Used to be 3, now 2. The pink one's next level.
The pink one is all factory too, so
Yeah.
it's wild.
Look, I want to get the spot off. What do I do? No, no, Vic's gonna bite me. Oh, there it comes. It's from a plant. So mine's taking a really long time, but I have a 765 LT the highest spec one they're gonna make. June.
June
And
is on like.
It's around the corner.
Yeah.
It's finally here, but the wheels.
Oh, no.
Hey! Please don't stop.
Please don't be right.
No, I don't want to do a meet and greet while I'm injured. Okay, I'll just. Oh my god.
I have a 765 in the back.
Can we see it? You know, I've never seen one in person. I just ordered it
Yeah.
10 months ago. I made the paint color. It's called Pink Magic.
Oh,
It's
you
a
went
color.
crazy like that again.
Oh, I went full crazy. It's a color stream. They've never done it before. Full blue carbon accents.
There she is.
Ooh! Remember how we ordered this? What?
Yeah.
I don't even remember when.
Last year?
It's taking so long, and I've never even seen one in person.
Yeah.
In Wyoming, we don't have all this.
No.
Wow, that baffles.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah, so they did this for me, navy blue. They said we're not going to change it for anyone else.
Wow. So pink and navy blue? That.
This is all blue crystal carbon fiber. And then it's like a blue, purple, pink, crazy cotton candy color stream. Interior, baby pink with baby blue accents. It's
That
nuts.
sounds wild.
But the wheels, well, you never know. Yeah, it looks
We
insane.
added this,
Yeah, it looks sick.
but we're gonna wrap it green, like a forest green, like
Okay.
a darker green.
What's that Tiffany over there hiding?
That's a Huracan white body we built, and he crashed.
She said, oh, okay.
He crashed, and
Wow.
I'm repairing it. That's
Okay.
also a custom color wrap we did a while
That's
ago.
sick. Oh, yeah. All right.
No.
Let's try peeps on the road. I'm taking this out. Thank you. Oh, absolutely. We have to. What the hell? 6'4" in here. Let me scoop this up a little. Who's that tall? Okay. Oh my god, where's the button?
Doors
Oh, it's up here.
It's up
Every
there.
car is different. I'm used to the Cullinan. I'm like,
See that?
Oh,
So I
top.
think if you hold it up, it goes up. You have to hold it. Down is down. When you're driving, it works too. But I think only up to 25 miles per hour.
Let's see him scrape this one right here. Okay, let me get my seats in order. Ooh, we got the massager. Hello, necessities.
All right, guys, we are sitting inside of Jeffree Star's Rolls Royce Dawn. Brand new car, straight from the dealer. This car is a black badge Dawn. Came with this amazing canary yellow interior. Super, super rare. I've never seen it before. I've seen some crazy colored interiors, but this is the first one I've seen like this. It also has this Nardo gray trimming. So Nardo gray trimming with the canary yellow. The outside of the car was actually the burnout gray color, which is similar to this. That's why you see this. Jeffree wanted to go ahead and match everything to the interior of this car. So the outside now matches the interior. We custom printed this vinyl on a pearl base. Very, very hard to match an interior because interior is leather. It's also like a satin matte finish, but we opted to go with gloss on the outside because if we were trying to match the finish with satin matte, it was gonna throw it off even more, honestly. So we matched the exterior. It's a 3-stage color with pearl in it. We're like 95% matching the interior. Super happy with that. That's a printed vinyl, so you're not gonna get much better than that. And then the wheels to top it off. These are our 45 spoke wheels, 24-inch. We got them in raw material and we went ahead and painted them at our shop in our spray booth with matching it to the wrap color. The only thing left on this bad boy is tints. We're gonna be tinting it. We haven't gotten time to do that. The outside has all the black badge, black accents as well. We did not touch those. We didn't go more yellow. You guys already know all the white ones we've done where we white out the grill, all that stuff. This one we opted to leave the black badge accents and go yellow everywhere else. We also did door jambs, of course, so when you open the doors, it's also yellow. Did everything the right way. It's a brand new car. Let us know what you think. I know some people are gonna probably hate on this thing. I honestly think it's amazing. I've been driving it around the block, testing it, and it's gotten more looks than any other car we've driven. It's ridiculous. The sheer FU factor of this car is mind-blowing. Everybody's stopping, taking pictures, videos. So good luck to him on driving this thing. It's convertible and it's very, very yellow.
Bunch of lunatics.
What the hell is behind us. He's trying to get in our shot. I'm about to pull out my pistol. I thought it was someone you guys knew. I'm like, why are you trying to cut us off? This shit is so clean. I can't believe it. Definitely everyone on Sunset sees us.